Yo, what's happening? It's your boy Frank Nitty. Here with a video, you hear me? So, bet AC stopped working in this motherfucker, you hear me? So tired of this damn truck. Man, if you don't turn that old ass motorcycle off while I do my video, as soon as I'm about to do a video, a motherfucker pull up in a ragged ass goddamn motorcycle, ride back in a ragged ass car, goddamn walking with their ragged ass. Always somebody doing some stupid ragged ass shit. But peep this off. Yes, sir. I but peep this off. I just snatched the carburetor out this bitch. About to take the intake off. So hey, go ahead and get this thing to going, yeah. I'm getting back on the road tomorrow, so get back on the road tomorrow. I gotta take off. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get back to work. Hey, if y'all could find a dope ass mechanic that don't be trying to bust niggas' heads, talking about goddamn $300 to put a carburetor on, hey, I'm not that nigga. Just because you know what kind of job I got and what my career is, that don't mean I'm about to fucking pay it. $300 put a carburetor on? You got me fucked up. Like, I go figure out how to do this shit my damn self, to be honest. Like, a lot of this shit I already know how to do, but I be on the road, so I don't have the time. But you ain't about to break my goddamn pockets just because. But peep this off. Get to the video. Like I say, this ugly motherfucker. No, she not ugly. She pretty, you know what I'm saying? She make my money, whatever like that. But fuck that. Alright. My AC done stopped working in this motherfucker. And it just got hot. I got dreads. I'm black. Like, I'm slick fat. It ain't gonna mix, you hear me? So bet, peep this out. If you got a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia, this all I know. Because I've been driving the 15, 14, 16. This is all I know. Come at me talking about this shit don't work. I don't give a fuck. I'm just about to show you a tip on what I know personally and from experience. So bet. Peep this out. What you gonna do is, you gonna turn your truck off. See these gauges right here? Boom. Face towards you. Turn it all the way to the right. Hot. Turn this down. Boom. Your key. On position. Go back right here. Press this right here. About 10-15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boom. They gonna flash like that. You gonna let them flash like that, and then they gonna go off. When they go off, you gonna turn your truck off, then turn it back on, and then turn it all the way on, you hear me? Don't come to me talking about this shit don't work. I know from experience on this truck. Boom, it stopped flashing. Peep this out. On. Point my truck up. Go right up. Slide. Do I feel it? Do I feel it? I got that AC, boy. I got that AC. Hey, she hitting hot again. Hey, you think I'm bullshitting? It ain't no joke. No nothing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'll put you to it, let you feel it. Yeah, you probably really can't feel it, but it worked. It worked. You know what I'm saying? I'm like a slave out there in the field, and God to hit your boy with some air, you hear me? But peep this out. My AC work. I ain't sweating. This bitch cold too. No games. This bitch cold, you hear me? Granddaddy type, It's cold. But yeah. Make sure you go to the back. Slide it to the back real quick. Boom. Open them up. It's cold. It's cold. Yeah. So, them steps right there that I just showed you. Turn your truck off. Turn the fan down to 0. Once you turn the fan down to 0, then you're gonna turn your oh, that feel good. Oh, that feel good. Back in effect, yeah. Alright, so in order to do it, by the steps, you turn your fan down to 0. Turn this all the way hot. Turn this towards you. You know what I'm saying? Turn your truck on to the on position. Hold these two 10 to 15 seconds. Let them go, let them flash. When they go off, then you're gonna turn your truck on. You know what I'm saying? Maneuver it. I throw it like 2 or 3. You see what it is? Face towards you. Crank the truck all the way up. There you go. AC work. But hey, peep this out. That was just a little quick, you know what I'm saying, a little tip. Just in case your AC go out or something like that. And sometimes you gotta reset it. So that's basically what I did. That's how you reset 2016 Freeliner. And bet, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what else to tell you. If it do go out again or something like that, and I gotta get an AC compressor or I gotta get some other shit that gonna, you know, break my goddamn packet, you know what I'm saying? I'll keep y'all updated with that. But I appreciate it. In another sense, when you doing your when you recharging it, you wanna make sure it's on max. Got your cold hitting. I'll grab this here, AC plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and recharge it. I did the reset, which it worked. But I know once I get on the road, I don't want nothing else to happen. So you gonna remove. Let me see. You hold it until they get in the green. Once you get in the green, you good. Basically, when it goes to the green, you know what I'm saying? You good. Fully recharged, and that's how you do it.